Welcome for a real dyno test on my test bench from Lambretta-Lutz.de. This is a standard Monza barrel plug and play with no porting, a 30mm carburetor. The ignition is from the Chimera kit, the head is from the Chimera kit as well, and it has a 62 crankshaft with a 160 conrod. The exhaust is an old Hornet from Pipe Design. So let's see what this engine out of the box will produce on the back wheel. So I will fire up the engine soon, so please watch the volume of your loudspeakers. So obviously you see the power band is similar, but the top is almost 3 horsepower more than with the other barrel plug and play in the first place. That is very interesting. So this barrel obviously gives a better base of the tuning, and the goal is to reach the 40 horsepower as well that I managed with the other barrel. So on this you can see it. I managed to have with the other barrel in the end from 24 coming 40 horsepower, and that is the goal. So please subscribe and join the journey of tuning a Monza barrel to 40 horsepower. Thank you for watching.